Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Sanjeev Gupta with us from Hartech. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's glad to be here.
Sir, can you just, as we know, Hartech is there in the solar industry from long time and it's performing really well. So, can you just let us know, it's been how much time, a bit about the journey of Hartech?
Ma'am, Hartech Power is a EPC company which is here since 1991. We have three arms. One is power systems, second is renewables, and third is distribution products. In power systems, we are doing substations right from 66 kV to 765 kV. And we are doing back-to-back PGCIL substations also up to 765 kV. And in renewable, we are doing land-based solar plants of the utility scale. Recently, we have done commissioning of Jelstra, which is 300 megawatt AC and 435 megawatt peak DC. This project we have commissioned in 10 months time, which is at a very good speed and considered to be very good in the industry. And besides that, we are also doing solar rooftop. We have already connectivity of more than 200 megawatt plus of solar grid top, whereas the connectivity of otherwise solar is 10 gigawatt plus connectivity which Hartech has provided over the years. In distribution products, we are having facility of panels up to 33 kV, and that serves as our backward integration also, because the same panels are being used in our own projects also. You can see that Hartech is a unique EPC which is doing grids right from 66 kV to 765 kV, doing utility scale solars of the range of 300 megawatt, and doing rooftop solars of 10 megawatt and all that, and is also having a backward integration of this. No other EPC has such a vast experience and the vast line. So that is the one reason that we could give our clients a very efficient solution for their complete project.
Sir, related to that only, if we talk about technology, in terms of technology, so how Hartech is maintaining the standards and the quality to meet the global benchmarks?
Ma'am, if you see our core values, in that safety and integrity are the first two core values of Hartech. So safety is of prime importance in Hartech, and none of my boys is allowed to compromise on the safety, which is the need of the day. And second, as I told you, that having a vast experience and the product line, right from substation, the solars, renewables, and the product line, we could give a very, very efficient solution to the client because of in-house engineering available for all the three components. That as on today, the basic efficiency is coming from execution, because there is so much of competition in the product line that you can hardly give any value addition into that, because everybody wants to sell, and you can certainly buy at a lowest price. But the efficiency of the your plant will come out of the efficient execution, which Hartech is providing to its clients.
That's great. So, for 2026, are there any projects that are in pipeline? Any innovations that are planned for?
Ma'am, recently we have bagged a PGCIL TBCB project in Devangri, 116T, and earlier also we have two TBCB projects of PGCIL at the same location. This is the third at the same location we have backed, and that is going to boost to our PS business, where we are looking for more and more TBCB projects. And with respect to renewable, we are working with 2-3 very prominent industrial fields, industrial big giants with whom we are trying to close some understanding to do their projects back to back and give support to them. It will be too early to disclose the names of those persons.
We wish all the luck and all the success for the upcoming projects of Hartek, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for being with us, sir.